7, 8, and the 1, 2, break 3, 4, 5, 6, break 7, 8, 9, 10, break 11, flow, 13, 14, 15, 1 and 2. Good. So how do we do this? Very important things. First of all, where does the body turn in kizomba? So whenever I turn the body, I always turn it to the leg I have forward. So if Eva goes to the right leg back and I go to the left forward, the body is turned to my left leg, because that's the leg I have forward. If we go with the other leg, which leg I have forward? Doesn't matter if I go backwards or forward. Now we go back, which leg I have forward? Left. Which leg I have forward? Right. Of this principle, we do the basic number 3. So we make the basic number 3, 7, 8, and then I step. The body turns to the left, to the right, and then I make breaks. 3, 4. And you see, because we move the forward leg, I also turn the body by doing these breaks. Then I go back, body weight, and then we make break with the other leg. Good. Now, important things here is to know to keep the body connection, of course, but also the leg connection. Why? Guy activates her leg before we start. 7, 8. And whenever I make a step, I make immediately connection to the other leg. Immediately connection. So watch how I'm doing the breaks. I'm doing the break on the tip of my finger, because if I were doing like this, I wouldn't be able to keep the connection. So I'm on my toe, and like this, I can keep the connection. And as soon as I switch body weight, I do this connection. When we go forward, guys, we can give connection to the girl, but when we go back, it's very important that the girl gives connection to us. So if we're sitting on this leg, okay, so I make break here, and then I go back, then we change immediately connection on this leg. As soon as I put the body weight on this leg, connection happens here. Okay, we keep the connection because we're staying on this leg, and as soon as I change the body weight to the other leg, I switch the connection here. Okay, so that's how we function, like this. Good, then we have this body weight. So we make the break here, 10, 11, and then I go body back, body forward, body back, body forward. So this we do like this. We were here, and we change the body weight. The girls come a little bit to us. Pull with the hand very gently, give the body connection. Then I give her the body connection. And we play like this, okay? The male girls with the hip out, hip in, hip out, hip in, hip out, hip in, hip out. Hip in, power, and then make syncopation, 1 and 2. That should be enough.